guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally going to be doing some Bantu knots. So I am prepping my hair for it to be blown out. I am working with freshly washed hair right now. I'm going to add some leave-in conditioner from the Dew. I love this leave-in. I'm not going to put any oil because if I put any oil on my hair before applying heat, I will get heat damage for sure. So I'm just going to show you how I blow out this one section and then we're going to move on. So now my hair is dry, and as you guys know, I always have to do my hair in 6 sections. That just makes it so much easier for me to deal with. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair back in those 6 sections. You don't have to do this. You can do whatever is easier for you, but I have to do it. So I'm going to be starting in the back, and I'm going to split that section into 2 sections, pinning one half away. I'm going to be applying the Aunt Jackie's Anti-Poof Setting Mousse. So I just use one pump, and I'm going to make sure that I distribute that pump very evenly throughout that section before twisting. And the way that I start my Bantu is I twist in one direction. It doesn't matter which direction that you want to twist, just pick what feels most comfortable to you. And as I make my way down, I want to make sure that my ends are detangled. Sometimes I like to add a little bit more mousse at the end, but I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting all the way to the bottom, and then I'm going to wrap the twist around itself, wrapping it underneath until there's no more hair. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna move on to the next section, split that in half, apply our mousse, and then make sure that that section is smooth and detangled so that we have no lumps in our Bantus. And then we're gonna twist in one direction all the way down while smoothing out our ends. Add a little bit more mousse at the end, and then begin to wrap the hair in the direction that it naturally wants to wrap. We're gonna wrap the twist underneath itself, and that is gonna form our Bantu knot. What I like to do too, as you can see me here, is continue to twirl the twist around my finger as I'm wrapping to make sure that it's nice and tight and clean. So I'm bringing you guys in a little bit more. As you can see, sometimes I put my finger right where the bend starts, and then that makes it easier for me to wrap around and gain more control. And that's pretty much it, you guys. All I'm doing is simply wrapping the twist around itself until I run out of hair, making sure that it is nice and secure. If your Bantus don't stay on its own, you can definitely add bobby pins. Now I'm going in with a little bit of their slicked flexible styling glue, using it as some edge control. And y'all, this stuff is literally like glue. Like, I put only a little bit on my edges and they are snatched. Okay, so it is the next morning, and I'm gonna be using the Shine Boss Refreshing Sheen Mist to give my hair a little bit more shine. I'm gonna spray that all over, and I'm gonna actually spray some in my hands too before taking down the first twist. And as you can see, we have a perfect spiral. I already know my results are gonna come out bomb if all of my Bantus look like this. Do you remember those Shrek themed cheese puffs, the ones with the spiral? I'm gonna insert a picture. That's what these Bantus remind me of every time I take them out. When it's time to separate, I make sure to only separate my hair a maximum of 5 times per section, just because I don't want my hair to be overly big or overly frizzy. I want this Bantu knot out to last me at least 2 or 3 days, maybe a week if I can, if the weather's not too bad. I mean, it's kind of humid outside, so it probably won't last a week. I'll probably get about a good 2 or 3 days out of this. And as you can see, I'm just separating each section where my hair naturally wants to separate. I'm not forcing anything that will create much frizz. That's the end of the tutorial, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments below if you are planning on trying this style. Tag me on IG if you end up doing it. And thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next one.